or someone.
SPC Cranford?
Or I don't know, Cranford.
What's that?
TOR was issued.
Tornado warning! Up 92.3, 99.5, let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! My ER210 right here. Let's go! Let's go! Right at the end of TOR!
This is for Blacksburg.
Yeah, I know. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Really?
Jewelry.
Come over here, 88.5!
Tornado warning has been issued for Surrey County, effective until 4:50 p.m.
Fucking EM that. Stop with the music, damn it! Bleed through. This is...
You'll find with an island.
I think... $99.5!
Golf full size hail.
Trying to get a good signal.
Why is it 92.3 going?
That's probably the wrong station.
Damn it. What else?
That's it.
Okay, so what were those stations?
WMAG, and I think the other one was WFDD.
No, the frequency.
88.5 WFDD. 99.5 WMAG. I'm getting messages up the wazoo from this. 99.5. Oh my God, there it is.
I
How
can't
far
get
away is that from us?
99.5.
We're here. It's right over there.
Ah.
Unbelievable. TOR. Wow.